Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use the Witty arbitrage platform for your trading. Okay, so you need to go to Trust Wallet and then click on DAPPs. Now you want to go to Witty Club and copy your upline's arbitrage referral link. As a first-time user, you can only access the arbitrage platform through a referral link. If you go straight to arbitrage.wittytech.io, you're not going to be able to go through. Okay, but I'm going to use it because I'm not a first-time user. Okay, so you put the referral link there and you click on enter. It launches you to the site. Then you change the network from Ethereum network to BNB Smart Chain. So this is Ethereum network right now. Okay, you click on it and change it to BNB Smart Chain. Then the next thing, you click on this button to the left of the Witty logo and you click on connect wallet. And you wait for the page to load. After it has loaded, you click on the same button again, you click on buy. And then you go to the sell order and you click on buy. So it's going to give you a disclaimer message. Take your time, read it, and decide to click on I do not agree or I agree. If you click on I do not agree, you won't be able to proceed. If you click on I agree, you'll be able to proceed. So for the purpose of this, I'm just going to click on I agree. And then here you choose how many Witty you want to buy. So I'll just do 25 Witty. Let's do 20 Witty. Yeah, let's do 20 Witty. Okay. Then you can see the use Witty button. If you choose that, if you toggle that, you'll be able to deposit Witty into the smart contract. The purpose of this feature is if you want to be paying your transaction fees in Witty rather than paying your transaction fees in BUSD, then here you would have to choose what quantity of Witty you want to fund your smart contract with, so that subsequently as you are doing transactions, it is the Witty in this your smart contract account that will be debited and not your BUSD. Okay, so that is what you do. So you put the Witty here and you click on add. This page will load again and then you'll be able to see the quantity of Witty you have deposited. But I'm not going to do that for this particular video, so I'm just going to remove the toggle and then I'll click on buy. So there will be two smart contract confirmations. You probably will not see it because of the security features of Trust Wallet, but I'm going to get two smart contract calls confirmation and I'm going to confirm those two. I've clicked the first one, I'm clicking the second one now, and then you just wait a while. You see, exchange. Now you can see I spent 5.19 USD for that particular transaction, right? So now what you want to do, you want to go straight to PancakeSwap to sell. How many Witty did I buy again? That was 20 Witty, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it was 20 Witty. Let's confirm how many Witty it was. Okay, it was not shown here, but I think it was 20 Witty. Okay, so we'll go to PancakeSwap. So you come here, pancakeswap.finance, you click enter. Okay, so I'm connected now. So you click on trade, click on swap. So here you choose Witty. You can just type in Witty here. Okay, you choose Witty. Looks like my wallet is not connected. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Okay, 1 minute. Let's see how many. Yeah, it was 20 Witty we bought. Okay, so now let's go to Pancake Swap. Let's redo this. So we're going to Pancake Swap.finance. Enter. Yep. So let's disconnect and connect again. Trust Wallet, connect. Okay, now I'm connected. Then you go to trade, you go to swap, and then you click on the first one, choose Witty. Okay, then you click on the second one, choose BUSD. So I want to sell the Witty I just bought into USD. Remember, I bought 20 Witty, so you impute the 20 Witty, right? It shows you how many BUSD you are going to get. Remember, I spent 5.19 BUSD to buy the 20 Witty on the Arbitrage platform. Now, if I sell that same 20 Witty on Pancake Swap, I'm going to get 5.5. So let's write that down. I spent 5.19. Now I'm making 5.59038. Okay, so we need to calculate the percentage. So I just click on swap, click on confirm. Then to bring a smart contract call confirmation for me, I click on approve. Transaction submitted. That is the end. I'm done with this transaction. Okay, so if you can see now, I just made myself some money, and I can do that calculation to find out how much I just made. I spent $5.19 to buy 20 Witty, and I came to Pancake Swap, sold the 20 Witty, and I made $5.59. Okay, so depending on your trade limit per day, you can just do this as many times as possible and make money. All right, thank you so much.